Hey y'all, this is T of One Lady T, and here I am showing you a little bit of a tour of my stay at Staybridge Suites in Orlando, Florida. I actually had to stay in this hotel for one night after my cruise because I traveled during hurricane season and I had some delays. So let me give a quick shout out to Allianz Insurance. Anytime you travel, especially if you take a cruise, make sure you get insurance because when a delay happens, you may need to have to go in a hotel. And guess what? Allianz covered this, okay? You just want to make sure you keep your receipts. So this is a hotel I've been wanting to try. It's a little bit more expensive than the budget ones. It's not that much more, maybe about 160 a night, 180 a night, but it's so worth it. One of the reasons I like this hotel was mainly because it looks like an apartment. It was one of the few hotels that had a whole refrigerator, a stove, a dishwasher. Okay, now let's talk about what you see. It's a nice sized closet. I will say this bed right here is one of the softest beds I've ever slept in. Amazing. Shower, it has outside shower so you can use the sink if someone's in a shower. It's great for people who travel with families. Because it has that extra bedroom. I always like suites because they give you the hotel room, but you also get a room. So if you have a child, you can separate yourself. Then I also like when they have a little lounge area, where you can kick back and enjoy. But this hotel had a straight up refrigerator, okay? And I'm the type of person who will get some food and cook it while I'm in my hotel. So I was very excited about this. But overall, I like the hotel, but I will warn you that their travel or their shuttle service is not that great. That was the main problem I had with this hotel, is that the shuttle runs every hour, which was a setback, and I end up having to get an Uber because if you're not there right on time, their shuttle will leave you and they will not be coming back. But knowing what I know, I still would probably do it again. I would just probably get an Uber or just make sure you're about 10 to 15 minutes before their shuttles leave. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day.